Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in the Patingot Club Gym.
You ready?
In the pink corner, ready, Carjan Villarin. The blue corner, Mr. Angelo Talosi. Okay, man, are you ready? Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? No. Okay, game ka na ba? Ready? Fight! Okay, that is Carjan Villarin wearing pink and white shirt with a black gloves, and Angelo Dalose in the blue and yellow shorts. Okay. This fight is for WBO. WBO. MMA welterweight division. Oh. Okay. Oops. Pagdali mo, kaya naman natagba pa kung hindi. Okay, Angelo kicks. Oh, that's the door. Okay. Up, pong. Okay. Muna ilubot ni Carjan. Ano mo sabi mo, sir? Ayo, okay, sir. Okay. Yeah! And the winner is Mr. Carjan